Good morning and welcome back to Video Diary on the Farm. It's early morning. It's 4 a.m. because this morning we're doing something a bit different this week because I'm not on the farm. So I'm going to take you on a trip with me and we're going to look at a large clean loader this morning and loading shovel, and we're off to have a ride to Newark Sugar Beet factory in the lorry. So delivering some sugar beet. So yeah, we'll see what we can see along the way and have a look and see how the job's going. Oh, and I'll apologise probably for the wind at the minute in the background when I'm filming, because I'm outside, because Storm Aisha is just taking place at the minute, so it's quite windy. Here's my ride for the day. A beautiful Red Scania. Anyway, we'll see in a minute. I'll get in. Bloody hell, it's like car ream in here, it's a red car. One good thing, yeah, you don't get many cars around this time in the morning.
There'll be a lorry drivers on the way to work.
Yeah.
Or no, home from work.
Yeah. Plenty of people supposed to out in work early. Anyway, first load, we're at the factory, just waiting to get in onto the weighbridge. You have to stop, and Matthew's just undoing his tail locks and making sure it's ready to tip before we go in, it's a pneumatic back door on them, so it opens automatically from the cab, but there's obviously manual safety locks on it which he has to unscrew. What time's factory open, Matthew? 5, yeah, lorries can start coming in from 5. Yeah, it's early all go, early morning, but they're still all piling in, the lorries. It's our first load tipped. I'll get some video when we come back. We've just pulled off the weighbridge again, and he's putting his locks back on his trailer to make it safe, and then yeah, we're off to go get loaded up for the second load. Cleaner's moving itself. It's got its remote control box, little bubby box there. They're brilliant nowadays. Just getting it lined up. This is first load of the morning. Swivel through 90 degrees back so it can load off the side. At this moment we're going to load straight on to the road. We're on the road side here, and they're just going to load it straight into the lorry. everything's controlled, the remote control on the loader, so it's just revving it up at the minute. It's going to start it going. First bucket full going to go in. See there, there's the cleaning rollers. And they take a lot of soil out. Going in, and the toting bucket. Now you can see all the soil was dropping out. Get in. And the cleaning rollers. One in 6 minutes. It's surprising what the clean load has taken out. This is only 3/4 of a load at the minute. There's a fair bit come out, loose stuff anyway, bits of foil. Back again, load number 2. Well, I don't know if you know, but they have a coding system of letters to say how much beet the factory can take, and they've dropped the letter down to C today because they've got plenty of beet in the factory, so we're on restricted loads at the minute. Normal loading, I believe, is letter L. So, and it varies day to day, but there's plenty of beet at the minute, so there's not that many loads going in today. Yeah, we're on an automated system on the weighbridge. Sunday, letter C.
Still no sample.
Still no sample. Well, yeah, disappointing that. I thought we might be going through the sample bay, but anyway, we'll see as we go past. That lorry in front sampling, he's been pulled off. Now the big auger going down into it. Yeah, they only sample so many loads, the different growers, depending on how much beet they grow. Yeah, as you can see, that's the wash, that's the main pad there. It's full, or fairly full anyway. We're going on the wash to tip. Just waiting for that lorry now to get off. There we go, that's where we're going to tip into. Big hopper there. Matthew showing his skill. Yeah, the back door's been released on an airlock clamp. Back onto the weighbridge. See what we've had in it. Automated again. Card in, scan it. And we're going to pull into the tailgate zone as when we come in, like when we come into factory, and stop and put locks back on, manual locks back on the trailer. Done. Off back to get loaded up, ready for Monday. You can see that bucket is closed up at the minute. That's so you can go under the cleaner loader, clean the soil away. Pretty good idea that. It's on hydraulic rams. They load it up in a minute. So I mean, what a beast. 435 JCB. Hell of a loading shovel that. Goes. He's opened it up, so he'll get a big load in there now. Sugar beet holds about 4 tons at a time. That's to be rammed full. Yeah, revved up, put it away, put it in. Quick look, better now it's daylight. Found this cleaner loader. Yeah, these big wheels, these are the ones with the drive motors on them. Hydraulic drive motors. When you transport it on the road, these wheels lower down to the ground. This hydraulic ram, and it lifts these tyres off the ground and swings them inwards. So it transports it in the width of the cleaner. There you go, see, picking up the name, cleaner. That's how they keep it clean underneath. There's a better view of the spiral rollers. They're real long ones, steel. They're a bit like the Dolman rollers on the Tate harvesters, but the steel. And they fetch a lot of clod and loose soil out and stone. Good cleaner. I'll say with normal web here, link chain web. That's it then, all loaded up, ready for Monday morning. Well, that's it for this week's edition of Video Diary on the Farm. Hope you enjoyed the content and you enjoyed looking at the cleaner loader and the trip in the lorry and a bit of an insight into the factory at the intake of the sugar beet. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Anyway, I'd like to give huge thanks to Ag Hall for allowing me to have a ride in their lorry and to see their cleaner loader outfit. And another huge thanks to British Sugar for allowing me to film inside the factory gates, which was brilliant. Thank you very much. So, yeah, anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, please hit that like, share and subscribe button, and hopefully we'll catch you again next week.